Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical and network basics so troubleshooting isn't derailed. Check power, cables, or Wi-Fi. If USB, try a different port. Once done, note your OS version and the exact printer model because driver packages differ. Make sure you have administrator access. Without it, you can't install drivers. While you're checking, open Devices and Printers, Windows, or Printers and Scanners, Mac OS, to see the current error details. This informs which driver to download next. You now get the correct driver from the printer maker to replace the unavailable one. Locate the model page and pick the driver that matches your OS build. Manufacturers provide full packages or universal drivers. Choose full when possible. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator, follow prompts, and accept bundled firmware updates if offered. If installation says driver in use, stop the print spooler service first, then install. After installation, restart the computer and verify the printer. You finish by validating the fix. Set the device as default and print a test page to confirm functionality. If the error persists, update your OS patches and network or USB adapter drivers because underlying drivers sometimes break printer installs. If problems continue, uninstall the printer and driver, then reinstall using compatibility mode or an older driver version. Sometimes recent updates introduce regressions. One key troubleshooting tip: if prints queue but never complete, clear the spooler, reboot, and try a direct USB connection to isolate network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.